All right, let me just take a quick break here and see if anybody's talking to me. I see you guys. I'm not ignoring you. I just needed to do like 20 minutes. And I got some questions here, so I'll follow through with them, answer those. Let me see here. Start from the top on TikTok. Somebody said, and I'm gonna every week. What I'll do is I'll show you guys more and more of this field of this training that I'm doing. And we'll go deeper and deeper into this as I offer more and more things. We'll go deeper into this. Somebody said GRC SME here, and I focus on PCI DSS and CMMC. So people like this, Christian Santos, this guy, you want to pick his brain because he knows if you have that kind of experience, um, you can pick his brain and he's going to be able to tell you what kinds of things you need to get in this field, what kinds of things he has to deal with, what kind of pay does he make. This this is a GRC professional right here. That these are the types of people you want to talk to. People are in the field working right now. Let me see, hospitality or Amazon. They were mentioned in different fields and sectors that they're in. And Amazon, I would say, is in the sector of IT professionals, IT services is its own sector, and that includes, it's not just Amazon, that's Google's in there and Microsoft's in there, and there's a few other ones. I mean, there's a lot of other ones. Mr. Khan says banking, telecommunications, those are definitely big industries and sectors. Customer care. I would go a little bit wider and say, what industry are you doing customer care in? Because if you're in hospice or something like that, that would be healthcare sector. Let me see your scheduling, verifying customer. Okay.